Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file online tax return for government employees. First, navigate to your government's designated tax filing website. You'll need your official employee ID and password to log in securely. It's crucial to use a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth and efficient tax submission, saving you valuable time and potential frustration. Before you begin, gather all your essential documents. This includes your W-2 form, which summarizes your yearly earnings and tax deductions. Don't forget any receipts for eligible deductions, such as professional training or office supplies you purchased. Also, compile statements for any other income sources, like interest from a savings account or dividends from investments. Having these ready will streamline the data entry process significantly. Once logged in, you'll navigate through various sections. Start by accurately entering your income information from your W-2 form. Then, proceed to input all your deductions and credits. Take your time here. Even small errors can impact your refund or liability. The system is designed with clear prompts, guiding you through each step, from personal details to financial summaries. Double-check every entry before advancing. The final step involves a thorough review of your entire return. Check all figures, ensuring they match your documents precisely. Once confident, electronically sign and submit your return. The system will provide a confirmation number. Make sure to save or print this for your records. You should also download a copy of your submitted return. This ensures you have proof of filing and can easily reference it in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.